According to economists from around the world, China's economy is seriously in trouble. Grim predictions for the country's future make it easy to understand why private and public debt is at an all-time high. Investors and governments from all over the world are leaving China as a result of the impending property collapse, sparking public demonstrations and a decline in one of the world's most authoritarian nations. Since Tiananmen Square, the CCP has been wary of disclosing, therefore it broke out in one of the weakest possible methods. The Chinese authorities even postponed the release of crucial information about their economic performance, demonstrating how bad things really are. China seems to be on the verge of collapsing, much like any other large corporation, with many of the same parallels. China's economy is failing, and if they don't act quickly, calamity is on the horizon. Don't get me wrong though, this won't just affect China, it will affect all of us, and the answer to the issue appears to be very sinister. What exactly happened in China to worsen the situation, and why are governments around the world so concerned about finding a solution?